Hello, and welcome to day 2 of our phonics work. Our objective today is I can read, review, and practice homophones. Okay, so if you pay close attention to this word, it's made up of 2 Greek and Latin roots. We have homo, and then phones. If you remember, homo means the same, and phones means sound. Okay, so we're going to focus on words that sound the same. Okay, so sound the same. They are spelled differently, but they sound the same. Can you think of any right off the top of your head? All right, and for our work today, we'll need your My Word Study book and a pencil. Right, and then we're focused on page 44. So go ahead and open your book to 44. Okay, what is a homophone? Homophone. Same sound. All right. Oops. I didn't want to skip there. All right, but on page 44, we're going to start with pronouncing each word with someone. Then we're going to practice reading the words on your own. And when you're ready, have someone time you for 1 minute. Right? Real similar to what we've done in the past. All right. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at our list on page 44. And while we read through this list, I want you to notice the words that sound exactly the same, but are spelled differently. All right, and in order to notice these today, I'm going to start with the word see in the upper left-hand corner and read across, and then go down to the second line and read across, and then continue on moving through. All right, so we start with see, steal, steal. Night, roll, peace, way, there, by, new, would, to, sent, one, it's, for, which, be, flower, choose, beat, there, it's, for, their, peace, way. Past, made, or, course, died, feet, higher, allowed, bored, very, seller, weather, morning, praise, praise, ceiling, ceiling, Mary, Mary, metal, metal, manner, manner, navel, navel, lesson, lesson, prophet, prophet, symbol, symbol, morning, feet, died, course, higher, weather. All right, so you go ahead and practice reading them 2 or 3 times. See if you can label the difference between the words. Okay, so for example, sea, S-E-A, is the ocean or a large body of water, but sea, S-E, is to sea. Okay, and we'll talk more about this in class each day, or to recognizing the difference, but today you're going to practice reading them. And then again, you'll have one person time you for 1 minute, and you'll count how many words you can read within that 1 minute's time. Clock in the classroom, stopwatch on your Chromebook, or a watch if your partner has that. All right, nice work.